Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you some exercises to improve your drawing skill. So let's get started. Before starting, let me tell you there are two basic things we need to practice every day. First one, lines, and another one, circles. In lines we can practice all type of lines like horizontal lines like this, vertical lines like this, even slant line, all type of lines, left to right or from right to left, anyway. Okay, and keep practicing your lines long and short as well. These are line practices you should do every day. And apart from this, we need to practice circles like this. Keep your hand free so that it can move very easily. You should not put your hand like this and do, because it will not go down. See, keep your this side little up. It will not touch to the paper, rather it will touch from this side little like this, and it will move according to the drawing. You can take rough newspapers or rough papers and you can practice on that, because this drawing paper you should not waste. These are only practices. Do more of these circles, ovals, even this type also. Hand should move freely, so you can do any shape like this and draw on that line. Make your hand free. If you are doing from one side, suppose you are going from left to right, you can do vice versa as well. Like this. Okay, we will go for circle in other video, but first we will go for lines. Lines are very important. So with lines we can draw horizontal lines, vertical lines. Basically two lines are there, and those are, this is horizontal line and horizontal line, vertical line, vertical line. So two horizontal lines are there and two vertical lines are there. So what is this? This is a rectangle. Now like this I will draw two horizontal line, but this time little shorter than before. Here also I will draw two vertical line. So here we have square. So now this is a flat image which you can see, and this you know very well, this is a rectangle. If I'll ask you to do to make in two dimension, this is single dimension, means only one side is visible. If I'll tell you to make it into two dimension, how you can make? There are many ways. First what I'll do, I'll draw parallel to this but a shorter line over here. Okay, now this I'll join this 2 point like this, and from here also. So now you can see that this one become a 2D image. So I can make for this as well, but I'll make little different. It is visible from sideways, so I'll go for top like this. This is slant line I told you before, and join these 2 points. Two sides are visible, so two dimension. You can make these two drawing into 3 dimension as well. How? I'll show you that. Rectangle I will make once again. Now before what we did, we drawn one line over here, but now what I'll do, I'll draw line over here, but this one and this one should be same line, parallel like this. Okay, and from here we'll do exactly same with this, but it will be little shorter than this line. Okay, now we'll join this slant line from here to here, and again the same angle from here to here, and same here as well. See, now this is 3D, 3-dimension. Likewise you can do for this square as well. If you go detail, if I'll draw the inner part from here, if I'll draw lightly, see, and I will extend this line and I'll join this line, then you can see from what is there inside this line you will get. This is usually help you to do some other drawing like aquarium and all. You should get to know where the point lies. So basically the thing is that you need to practice lines every time. There are few drawings I did. I'll show you that. These line, only line. I made all these drawing with the help of line only. Book, ruler, lamp, phone, computer, TV, washing machine, refrigerator, everything you can do with the help of line. So you need to practice a lot lines, horizontal, vertical, slant, whatever it may be. Just practice lines. It will take some time. Even I am also struggling to get straight line, perfect straight line. So keep practicing, and in other videos I'll give some drawings online, like I showed you before. This refrigerator, how I made this, I'll let you know by drawing and showing you. You can do speedily. See, this pencil. I have other tutorial as well. So these are very simple. If you know how to draw straight line, you need some little practice to draw all these drawings. And basically I want to tell you one tip. Whenever you are doing some drawings or something, don't press the pencil hard. Just be light and draw lightly, so that later on you can do correctly. If you are confirmed that this drawing is okay, then you can darken it without using eraser. I basically do like that. But if you have eraser, you can use it in any time. In my other video I'll show you some drawing with the help of lines, horizontal, it may be horizontal or vertical line. So stay tuned for that. After finishing line drawings, I'll start the circle also. So first we'll practice line drawings, and what are the things you can do as well. Find out in your home what are the things you can draw from lines. Like I found out pencils, eraser, even eraser also you can do. Even if you practice lines, you will get to know how to shade as well. I'll tell you that also, but in later videos. See, so the line what you are practicing, it is very essential in every part, in every point of drawing. So before starting any drawing or every day, you should keep in mind that you need to practice 1 hour or half an hour, how much time you are getting. Keep practicing the lines, circles, ovals. These are the basic shapes. Even you can make this square, circle, I will tell you later on. But basically this is the video for line drawing, so concentrate on lines only, but keep practicing circles and other things. In my videos I'll show you the line drawing stuff, what are the things we will make. So guys, if you like this video, then hit like button, and if you have any query or you have something to tell me, you can give your comment below and share with your friends, because further I'll give you some classes on object drawings and how it will be easier for you to do it, each and every drawing, first starting from lines to circles and then characterization, cartoons and everything. So thanks for watching and keep drawing. Bye bye.